Now that we understand what the BIM manager does and why they are so important, let's talk about who can become a BIM manager. Can someone start as a BIM manager from day one, or is there a path to reach this level? These are the topics we will cover in this section. The reality is that BIM managers come through experience, not from a specific course or degree. Many start their careers as BIM modelers or BIM coordinators, and through project experience and learning managerial skills, they gradually reach the management level. So if you're just starting with modeling, know that this is only the beginning, and the path to becoming a BIM manager is clear. Now let's look at the skills required. First, you need a deep understanding of BIM process, a way of thinking for managing project information, which we discussed in previous sessions. Second, you need a technical familiarity with the software. You should know, for example, how programs like Revit and Navisworks interact and what formats are used for data exchange. You don't need to be an expert in all software, but you should understand their logic and workflow. Third, communication and management skills are essential. A BIM manager must be able to speak the language of architects, structural engineers, contractors, and clients and coordinate between them. For example, with architects or structural engineers, you often need to speak technically, while with clients, the language is more business-oriented. Many project challenges are not technical but communicational. You must be able to explain in simple terms to a client why a certain decision in this project is important for modeling or data management, whether it affects cost, schedule, or other factors. The next skill, which is the fourth one, is problem solving and decision making. In large projects, because changes constantly occur, important and immediate decisions must be made. These changes may come from design modifications or how files are exchanged. A BIM manager must be able to make quick and logical decisions regarding the project. The fifth skill is understanding project management. This means knowing how aspects like scheduling, cost control, and project objectives relate to BIM. This knowledge allows us to implement BIM not only at the technical level but also at the managerial and organizational level. Overall, becoming a BIM manager is not just about learning software or memorizing standards. It's about the mindset. You need to learn how to see the project as an information system, not just a 3D model. So if you're currently a modeler or coordinator and are improving your communication skills and decision-making abilities, you're already on the path to becoming a BIM manager. Becoming a BIM manager comes from experience and is a professional evolution that must be followed step by step.